Hi, this is Corey Boyer with Audinate, the makers of Dante. We're here at the AES show in New York showing off our new Dante AVIO adapters. These are adapters that allow you to take analog equipment and put it onto the Dante network and then taking audio from your Dante network out to your analog equipment again. We have 6 adapters. The first one is a 1-channel input. We then also have a 2-channel input. We have a single channel output, a 2-channel output, an AES-3 version, and a USB that does 2 channels in and 2 channels out. Use cases for these devices. I have a single channel here. I can plug this into the wireless base of a microphone, and I just turn that wireless microphone into a Dante-based microphone. I can take this output version here and plug that into the back of a speaker, and now I have that speaker just became an IP-based speaker. I have this USB version here that will allow me to take 2 channels of audio from my computer out to the Dante network, or take 2 channels of audio from the Dante network into my computer for recording. Okay? These are our Dante AVIO devices that we're launching here at AES. If you have any questions, please contact Markertek at markertek.com.